Let's go rescue the silky chickens. It was a very nice winter and spring arrives and bam, this happens. We're gonna get 20 inches of snow today. The most snow we've had all year. And they're calling. Now the silkies, I mean all the chickens are doing good, but I have to shovel around their coops so they can get out. The silkies, they're never gonna leave their coop. I gotta grab them and put them inside the hoop coop where they can get their water and meal or chicken feed. All right, I'll be there in a second. Will there be eggs today? Well, it's early, it's only 7 o'clock in the morning. And I'm sure there'll be some eggs later today. I just need to create a path from the big chicken coop out to where their feed is, just a few feet away. So far I think we have about 14 inches. And it's gonna keep on snowing all day. All right guys, Lila is always the first one to come out. So now they have a nice path to their feed and water over there. And yeah, always the first one. She's fearless. Oh, here's another one, number 2. All right, let's go see. Yep, they're drinking and feeding. There's a little snow on their feed. It's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna have to fill it up in a few minutes. I'm gonna get some water for them and add a lot more feed, but it's okay. All right guys, there's a path to your feed and water. You can go out. Don't be a chicken, go out. You got a path. Now for the silkies, I'm not gonna build a path of them. I'm just gonna open the coop and take each one and put them inside the hoop coop because they'll never walk through this. They see a little bit of snow, they won't do it, they won't come out. And their food is inside the hoop coop. Okay, silkies, I'm here. All right. All right, I'm taking you and putting you inside the hoop coop. It's dry, feed, water's in there. They don't fight me anymore like they used to. Here we go guys, they have their feed, their water, and yeah, they're gonna spend their whole day inside this hoop coop. They're not gonna venture out there. Nope, they don't like it, but they like it in here. They got everything they need. I hear cackling, so there may be an egg. Yeah, there is one. I'll probably get like 7, 8, 9 more today, later today. It's early, so we'll be back later. This is gonna be my breakfast this morning. Okay guys, so I'll be back in about an hour after breakfast and I'll start shoveling all over. But they're fine for now. I'm gonna be adding more feed and water to the big chickens, but they have plenty at least for another 4 or 5 hours. And by the way, we didn't see this big snowfall coming today. I thought it was all over. I almost took out the snowblower off the tractor and put in the loader. But it's a good thing I didn't, because 20 inches, whew. All right, I'm good for the day. Okay, time to give the chickens their feed and give them some more water. The big ones, the silkies already have plenty. It's been about 2 hours. I had a great breakfast thanks to the eggs that my chickens lay every day. Yeah, today's gonna snow all day long. We're getting supposedly 21 inches. I'm also gonna be doing a couple of videos with a wife for her cooking channel, and I'm gonna wait to use my snowblower until later today, because if not, I'll be doing it 2 or 3 times. So I usually wait till late in the afternoon before I start with the snowblower. But yeah, I have my work cut out for me today. It's pretty deep. At the moment, we have about, what, maybe 15 inches? Another 5 or 6 to go. Okay, and now I'm gonna add some water, but this one I'm gonna have to take out and take it over to the house. The things I do for my chickens in the middle of spring, and it's getting a little difficult making all these trips back and forth, but I don't mind it. It's my chickens. Whoa. So they have water for about 3 days now, and food as well. And I brought them a snack, and Lila already found it in a container to put the eggs in. They're starting to come out. And guys, this is the run, the temporary run that I built 2 years ago, where I have the feed inside. And look at this, to the top. It's easily 15, 16, maybe 17 inches already. All right, girls, here's the snack. Okay, Silkies, I brought you a little snack. There you go. I don't see any eggs in here. So I cleaned a little bit outside, just a little bit, and now they can go under the coop if they want. They can go here if they want. They have a little bit of space today. Okay, so now I'm going to check for eggs. Okay, let's see how many. You got 2. You got 3. 4. 5, 6. One that I got earlier, I make 7, and maybe 8 coming because this one's about to lay one. Let's go ahead and leave her alone so she can do her business. And maybe the silkies will lay 2, maybe 3 today. I cleaned a little bit again around this area so they can go eat. But it's getting pretty hectic out here, and I have a ton of shoveling to do today. Oh, what's wrong with that one? Yeah, I got my work cut out for me today. It's gonna be a super long day. I have enough wood for the boiler for a week, and I'm gonna have to use the snowblower here shortly. And yeah, that's gonna be fun. Since today I am doing a general vlog, I'm gonna show you the seeds that I planted a few weeks ago. And here they are, guys. These are the small peppers. And these are regal, longleaf coriander. And I planted these on, when did I plant them? March 7th. So they haven't germinated yet. It may be another week. These take very long. Make sure that if you plant them indoors, that the seeds are always moist. And these are gandules or pigeon peas. More gandules. Now, these I planted earlier in these pots, and they came out pretty good. They germinated very rather quickly, quicker than these. These I planted maybe a week later, and I have more gandules in these small pots. Now these I planted at the exact same time I did these, but these germinated so much quicker, and look how big they are. So these Jiffy pots, wow, look at those roots. Yeah, they're excellent. So in the next couple of days I'm going to be moving these to bigger pots. And here I have more peppers and ají amarillo, ají panca from Peru. And these haven't, none of these have germinated yet, but some of the pigeon peas or gandules have. Guys, I've decided to go ahead and use my snowblower on my tractor now. And it's not even 12 yet, it's about 11:30. Now the reason I'm doing this is because in case of emergency, we need a way in and out of this house. And I'll do it again sometime tonight. But for now, yeah, it's probably the smart thing to do is to go ahead and use it now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and warm up the tractor, give it a few minutes to warm up, and then we're going to go ahead and start using a snowblower. A little bit. if you take care of your equipment will take care of you. Now when you have a lot of snow like I do today, take it a little slow as you're snow blowing. You don't want to give your equipment a heart attack. Take it slow. Can't forget about you guys. Okay, so I'm done for now. And I'm gonna do it again tonight, but I may have to get some diesel. Now, I'm not gonna use the truck to go get diesel. I'm gonna go use the car, my old Acura. But unfortunately, when I tried to turn it on last night, battery was dead. So I'm gonna have to charge it before I go. And I have a 5-gallon diesel can right up here, behind this one. Here it is, and I have about a half a gallon. So I don't know, that may be enough for today. Right behind me, there is a car. See if you can find it. Yep, it's right there. So I'm gonna remove a lot of that snow because I'm gonna take that car over to the gas station so I can get some diesel. Starting to look like a bad idea. But the car's battery is dead. I need to charge it for a little bit before I start it and take off. Huh. Shocks are not holding anymore. That one and that one. That's a first. All right. I'm gonna let it charge for an hour or two, maybe an hour, and I'm gonna turn it on and go take care of business. Okay, so I've been charging the car battery for a little bit over an hour. I think it should start. And I just used the tractor again, a second time, to clear my path out to the street. I had to. It was too much accumulation. Moment of truth. Let's see. And there we go. Okay, so before I get my diesel, I'm gonna put 2 capfuls of the Lucas anti-gel. I want to put it in here before I fill it up. I think it's a lot easier. There we go. And we are good. We are golden. The car is warmed up a bit. I think I'm ready to pull it out. But first, I'm gonna have to clean out the front. Success! And left a big crater in there. Wow, that snow is really piled up here. Okay guys, I'm here at the gas station. I just got some diesel. $4.57 a gallon. No, $4.39 a gallon. And my wife is inside. She's getting some snacks for tonight. And then we're gonna go back home and, I don't know, do everything all over again. Alright, we're going back home. The roads are empty. There's a few cars, but not as many as there could be right now. Yeah, I suspect this is not going to be very clean until tomorrow. Tomorrow, Sunday, March the 24th. Okay, we're back on our property. And I was just talking to my wife, and I think we're not gonna use a snowblower anymore today. We're gonna wait till tomorrow because it's gonna continue snowing into the late evening. And the chickens, they haven't been out today, and they won't for a few days. Even though I'm not going to use the tractor till tomorrow, I want to go ahead and fill it up now. So I'll be ready again tomorrow morning. The one thing I want to do now is check on the chickens, make sure they're safe, and I'm sure they are. Maybe check for eggs. I don't know, put the silkies inside their coop for the night and repeat again tomorrow morning. There we go, all 5 gallons gone. we should be good for a very long time. I think it's about 5 p.m. and let's go check on the chickens. Now I'm not gonna go empty-handed. I'm bringing them a snack. And they're kind of quiet this afternoon. I don't hear any of the roosters. Oh wow. We did get the 20 inches of snow, and we still have, as you can see, we still have a little bit more to go. How much more? I don't know. They're saying another inch or two more, but it's kind of early, and it's not going to stop snowing until later tonight. I mean, I could be wrong about the time. It's 5:35. Close enough. Okay, I see the silkies. Yeah, they're looking at me. All right, how do I get over here? You guys doing okay? There we go, guys. They are loving their snack. That tells me they haven't been going outside to eat their pellets. I wonder why. All right, guys, move over, move over. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clear some of that snow before I go back inside the house. Now the silkies, on the other hand, are right where their feed is, feed and water. See, it's not hard for the big chickens to come over here. Should be easy. But their silkies, they may be in slightly better shape. What's up, silkies? Did anyone lay an egg today? Let's see. Yeah, I see one egg over there. And there should be another one. Oh, there it is. Another one back here. Go ahead, enjoy. Now Lila comes out here to feed. Why can't the others? Maybe they have been. I just haven't seen them yet, obviously, but they're inside. Let's see. Are there any more eggs? Two more, guys. I see two more. 1 and 2. So that's for the big chickens, that makes 9, and 2 for the smaller chickens, that makes 11 for today. Okay, so that's 11 eggs for today. That is proof that the cold and the snow has no effect on how many eggs they lay. It's all about the longer days, okay? So yeah, usually late winter, after the last week of February, that's when they start laying more and more and more and more as the days get longer. Like today. Today's March the 23rd. It's super cold, tons of snow everywhere, and as you see, they are laying lots of eggs. Yeah, but before I go, I'm gonna go ahead and clear a lot of this space up for them so they can, walk over to their feed and water. I mean, you just saw Lila over there, so it's not a problem, but maybe some of them just don't want to leave because they see all that white stuff. It's 7 p.m. and it stopped snowing. We got 21 inches, and that is enough for now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the chickens, to the silkies, put them inside the coop. Temperature tonight's going to drop to 14. If I don't put them in, they're not going to go. The big chickens are okay. They're always okay. I cleared a path for them from their coop to their feed and water, and one of them just popped her head and went back in. So yeah, they have a path to their food and water. They're okay. Right, guys? How are you doing? You guys doing okay? Yeah, they seem to be fine. But the silkies, I'm getting sick. I hope not. But the silkies, yeah, they're coming in here tonight. Yeah, the entrance is full of snow over there. So I'm gonna grab each one, bring them over here. I'll see you in a sec. Okay, the silkies are now in their coop. I moved them from the hoop coop to here. And I'll be back tomorrow morning and I'll let them out. Good morning. It's the next day. It's about 7:30 a.m. and we're gonna go check on the chickens. So yesterday was a very, very interesting day. It was fun. I was super busy with a tractor shoveling snow, and today, well, today there's going to be a lot of work too. And I can feel that some of this snow got a little hard last night. So yeah, today's going to be just as busy. There's a lot of work that I need to do that I didn't finish yesterday. According to the forecast, we have about 21 inches of snow, but I'm gonna measure in a few minutes to see if that's true. Yeah, but today it's nice and sunny. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Ah, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna need to check for eggs more frequently today because it's 12 degrees outside right now. And it looks like Layla is getting ready to lay an egg. I'll be back every hour. And look, I have a heated water. The water is not frozen. Yeah, it feels nice. Alright, let me put this snack here for the silkies. Let's go get them. How are you guys doing today? Let me see, any eggs? Nope, not yet. Alright, I'm gonna grab each one and I'm gonna take them over there. I am waiting for one of them to crow, but they're not gonna do it. And there they are. They are taken care of. This is not gonna melt for a while. Many days, and I can see that it's not going to be as fun going back and forth to the chicken coop, but I'm gonna have to do it at least today 3 or 4 times to check for eggs, because if not they'll freeze and the eggs will crack. Okay, let's go and check on that boiler. Yep, I'm gonna have to add a few more sticks. There we go, I'm good for the day. And check out my raised beds. Oh, they're covered in snow.